Welcome fellas, continuing with my Parkside product review videos. Today I have another interesting item for you. This really modest set of 60 heat shrinking self-soldering sleeves. The set is relatively cheap. It comes with 4 different types of soldering sleeves, covering different diameters of wires. All the information is on the label. The shrinking temperature is 80 degrees Celsius and the solder temperature is 138, meaning this is a relatively low temperature solder. For those of you not aware, the idea here is to be able to properly join and seal multi-strand wires without using soldering iron and isolation tape. Yes, those are watertight. The only thing you need is a heat gun. The design is pretty simple. Heat shrinking plastic sleeve. Inside we have 3 rings. The middle ring is the solder. The 2 outside rings are heat activated glue for reinforcing the structure. Let's do a few tests and see how they perform. Starting with the thickest wire supported by the set, 6 square millimeters. Remember to use only multi-strand wires. Insert the 2 wires into the sleeve in such a way that the strands can mix up into the middle where the soldering is. Something like this. I think this should do it. Let's do some strength test. Of course, don't expect miracles. Pretty disappointing, and it seems that on this wire there's absolutely no solder at all. Let's try with a thinner cable. Absolutely the same result. And even thinner cable. Absolutely have no words. Extremely disappointing. Let's do the things slightly differently. And of course, after heating with my household lighter, let's perform a strength test. One final test. This time maybe the connection was slightly better. You can see that the solder is still on one of the wires. Well, I had some higher expectations about this product. Unfortunately, it's performing similar to the Chinese heat shrinking sleeves that I've tested some time ago. Not as those aren't Chinese, but I hoped that Parkside selected some better quality. Unfortunately, it seems not, and I really wouldn't recommend you using them. That's all for this video. If you like it, thumbs up and subscribe.